Welcome back to another video, and today we are at the boat show. Oh, I'm just looking at some boats. Cool. Look at all this. Ooh. See how much this one cost? This one cost about... Nope, that's not the money thing. This one, like 42,000. This boat. Ooh, this boat looks cool, guys. Okay, let's see how much it cost. 43,000. Wow, these boats are expensive. This boat costs. That boat costs like $64,000. Oh, and whoa! Look at that price tag on this boat. Let's check it out. Whoa! This is really cool of a boat. Oh, look at the steering wheel. That's a baby. Oh, look. This is really cool boat, guys. So, camera's out of battery almost soon. So, bye for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video with just showing pricing tags. Bye.